Whoa! Nope. Wait, I can do that? Oh no! Well, this is interesting. They are really going at it. I thought I would have fallen through that crack in the ground. I hope I don't. What is that flashing going? What is... what? I don't know. Wait, I need food. There we go. Oh, I need to be on the other pole. Oops. I don't know why I thought this would take much longer than it has done. But I'm happy it's not taking as long because it's pretty much the same stuff. And we're out. Really? What's down here? Oh, danger. And a stupid idea. Whoa! Threat music, I've not heard that much. I think I heard it twice so far. So yeah, it is a much more peaceful journey. Okay. Get through, thank you. I do not trust those sea leeches. Get up. And up. There we go. Spear. That's why I don't like that. No. I have been leeched. Get off. I like the threat music, but I don't like what happens when it's playing. I've never gone up this way before. Is there always two of you? And it's about to get dark. Come on. Flip. Yay. What was that about? I am shining. What is that about? Pearls. I have 3 now. Whoa. Never been in here from this side? There are some really eerie sounds going on. Oh, I remember that section there. Oh. Really? First try. I hope there aren't any more. Oh no. No glow. Lots of problems, can't see in the dark. Oh, that's why I get that thing, the prompt to get all this stuff. Oh! Thank you, Overseer. And that's why you don't get the Overseer when you eat the neuron fly, because you don't need it. I understand now. Where do I go? What are you doing? Oh. There we go. It is a lot nicer holding this lantern than having to hold on to one of those things. Why do I still not remember what they're called? Lantern mice. There we go. Giant spider centipede of doom. Where am I going? That way. Run. Wait. Oh! Giant, even bigger giant spider centipede of doom. And we're gone. Wait, do these flashes work on the kelp? No, it shouldn't. They don't have eyes. Why would it work? Was this here before? Yes. Okay. I would like this shelter, thank you. What? Oh. Friends. I'm going to throw this thing at you. Did it work? Spear. Oh, there you are. Go. Okay, I somehow made it. And I got more food. Oh! What? Good thing there's another one. Oh, come on! No. Damn it. Really? Is the Overseer showing me? Oh wait, it's saying where the... I don't know. I cannot see a thing. Ah, thanks. I can now see some things. Barely. If I can't find a spear here, then I'm just... Damn it, I found a spear. Okay, if I die again, then I'm using a passage, because I don't want to have to do this a third time. The whole exterior climb thing, that is... I still didn't get the lantern back. Thanks for the help. Why are you not better at this? Just let me go. Okay, I can't find anything. Nope, nothing. I can get down here. I'm not going to do that either way. There are no spears here. Wait, I can do that? At least it isn't that hard to see where I am. Big block of yellow. Whoa! Not hard to see where that is. It is to do with those dream sequences. I cannot see anything. Oh no, the filtration system. Oh, that'll be a nightmare. Nice friendly greeting to this very long and dark place. It is weird without having that light. And one with the glowing dust particles here. They will never tell what I am. I am not here. Thank you for agreeing. Whoa! Nope! Damn it! No! Get in! Whoa! Now what do you do to the overseer? What do you do to them? Don't worry, I have this tiny little bit left. I'll leave it there, why not? That is still bright. Where was that? I don't like the sound of that above me. Oh, you're back. I can see. And we've got this again. I didn't like this place when I was able to see what was going on. Never mind, it was easy. That is very ominous. What does that say? It looks like it says OCJH. No. I have no idea what that means. And we're back. I don't have enough food for the shelter. Do I have time? Yes, I do. And down we go. I've been here a surprising amount recently. I thought I would have fallen through that crack in the ground. I hope I don't. What? Should I? Yes, I will. Wait, no, it's not going to work, is it? I don't think it'll work. I just wasted this. No drainage system. They're all here. Exterior. Okay, I can do this. What is that? What? This is a mess. Okay, I'm skipping out all of that because that there is hell. Literally. So, I'm starting there, why not? Don't be the wrong place, it isn't. And we're just going to pretend that nothing happened. And I went through all of that like usual. The wall. You saw nothing. And they're falling off as usual. There is one thing you do not want to do, and that is falling from a height so high that you can see the tops of the clouds. What did I just say? Oh no! Well, this is interesting. You're really going at it. And they both fell. I nearly fell as well. What are these pole plants doing? I just hit you with a flipping spear. Why are you okay with that? Right, calm down. I'm gonna grab this spear and throw it at you again, okay? Thank you. Yes, I know you're there, but I'm gonna stay in here and get that thing first. So I can get that dialogue. Yes! I need another one. And throw. There we go. And there's the city. This is a very long walk. There we go. We made it! I'm going to go the right way this time when leaving. Strange gravity again. Whoa! Oh no. Yes! There we go. How does spinning them, pointing in the direction you want to go in, how does that help? Hello again. Oh, straight away? It's yellow. Yep, new dialogue. Yeah, this is a faster version of what was being told before. Okay. I didn't go that way this time. Bye. Well, that happened. How have I slowed down so much? That is a big jump. Still not talking about that picture there. Oh no, it's this one. No. No. Not talking about it. Well, that was nice. What? Did I not get enough food? Oh no. I thought I got enough. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and I can't get food from that thing. Oh, I wasted it. What? And I don't have enough food. Why? Don't tell me I have to do all of that again. Spear thing. No. Well, that's annoying. I'm either going to have to get through pebbles far down enough to find some neuron flies, or I'll die and have to do all of that over again. Okay, I got to make this quick. Yeah, I just need to go over this way. But I wanted to go the other way. Just let me go through. I'm going to regret this, aren't I? What? I'm trying to go through there. Well. Okay. Well, how about this? I have another passage. There we go. Don't want to be down there. Nope. Not doing that. Now how about that? Wait, oh. I don't even need to go back. Okay. Well, at least I can get that echo now. And hear what they have to say. Does that mean I can go through with any karma level the second time I go through a gate? How does that work? Anyway, long walking thing here. Now? Okay. Echo. Let's see, what do you have to say? What? You found a way, but it didn't quite work out, did it? Ah, great. Walking time lapse number 2. And now there's no glowing. Ow. Ow. Oh no. Okay. This isn't good. Oh, come on! Wasted half the day doing this. Ah! Why didn't I do that sooner? Oh, I could have done all of this and it have not recorded the audio. Oh, that'd be horrible. Oops.